Hey guys, Troy here with Road Dancing, and it is finally time. This is one of our most requested tutorials. We're gonna do T.G.I.F. Now this is a super fun 32 count, 4-wall dance, no tags and no restarts, but trust me when I say it is very much an intermediate / advanced dance. Don't worry, we've got a step-by-step breakdown for you, so we're gonna make it as easy as possible. All right, if you're ready, make sure again, don't forget to like and subscribe down below, leave us a comment. Let us know what you want to see coming up. We'd love to put that on our production board for more tutorials for you. Otherwise, let's get it done and have some fun. All right, let's get started with that first set of 8 counts. First thing we're gonna do is stomp and then weave steps. So what we're gonna do is take that right foot, you're gonna stomp for 1, then you're gonna swing your left foot behind for 2, out with right, and cross 3. That's your weave step. Then you're gonna do it again, you're gonna stomp 4, then behind and cross. So let's just do those 6 counts before we add the last 2 counts to that 8. So we're gonna step out with our right foot, so you're gonna go 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then you're gonna do a mambo cross. You're gonna step out with your right foot for 7, recover, and cross 8. Angling my body just a little bit to make it a little bit easier because I'm a big boy. All right, so let's walk through that 8 count again. We're gonna do this very slow to start. So you're taking that right foot, you're gonna go 5, 6, stomp out right, stomp 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. All right, let's try it a little bit faster with song speed. Again, do this step as many times as possible. It really goes with the song, so you'll catch it as we come through. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. All right, now let's get into the second set of 8 counts. Now, this is when we have a wall change and a wall change. It gets a little funky. It's why it's an intermediate dance, right? That's how it works. So we just finished with that 7 and 8. Now we're going to make a step for 1. You're gonna half pivot turn 2. Then you're facing the back wall. You're gonna take your left foot, cross in front of your right for 3 and 4. That's a shuffle step. So I'm gonna show it to you facing this way. So you're crossing 1. You're gonna step out 1, turn 2, 3, and 4. Now, as we do that, facing that back wall, right? 3 and 4. You're gonna do that mambo cross again, 5 and 6. Then comes the palm part. You're gonna pull over your right shoulder for 7, swing your right foot behind, hit 8. You're gonna do a little pop drop. That was a lot, so we're gonna walk through it. And we're gonna walk through it both directions so you can see it depending on which way you're facing, okay? So we just finished our 7 and 8. You're gonna go 1, turn 2, side shuffle, 3 and 4, mambo 5, cross 6, 7, 8. Kind of want to pull that right foot again, 8. All right, now I'm gonna do it facing this way, so that way as I turn around you can see exactly what my boots are doing. So just that 7 and 8. We're gonna take that left foot out for 1, pivot turn, 2, shuffle, 3 and 4, mambo 5, cross 6, 7, 8. We drop down, pop that knee. All right, let's try that to tempo. Here we're facing the front wall. We're gonna end up turning to face the back wall. Left foot has the weight. Right foot is crossed on that mambo cross, stepping out with the left. Here we go, a little more tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, turn 2, shuffle 3 and 4, mambo 5 and 6, 7, 8. All right, let's put all 16 counts together, get a little feel for it. I'm actually gonna do this a little bit differently. I'm gonna do it both facing the front and the back wall. Hopefully it makes it a little bit easier as you're turning walls. So let's see if it works. Let me know in the comments if this doesn't work because I wanna make sure we get it for you guys. From the start, I'm gonna shift off to the left a little bit. We're stomping with that right weave, mambo cross, pivot turns. We're gonna go slow first. 5, 6, stomp up right and 1 weave, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, mambo 7 and 8. 1, turn 2, shuffle 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. All right, now I'm gonna do it facing the back wall. So again, as we turn, do it with me anyways. because as you turn the walls, you'll have to do it eventually anyways. So we'll all work out, I promise. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, mambo 7 and 8. 1, turn 2, shuffle 3 and 4, mambo 5 and 6, 7, 8. All right, now we're getting into the third set of 8 counts. It does get any easier, I promise you, but it gets a whole lot funner, and that's really what dancing's about. Okay, so we just finished with that sweet pop for 7, 8. And this is not too bad. You're gonna step 1, turn 2, then you're gonna coast step. We're gonna left foot back for 3 and 4, right? So we're gonna do that again. So you see that 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're gonna go box quick step. I don't know if that's correct terminology, but go with me anyways. So you're gonna step for 5, cross 6, just like a box step. Then you're gonna go 7 and 8. So you're almost in a box coaster, I guess would it be called, right? So right foot is forward. We're gonna do that last 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you're gonna go 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, that was a lot. Let's put it together. Walk through it slowly, I promise. So you're facing the front wall. Turn and face to your 9 o'clock wall. That's your left wall. Take your right foot back, pop your left knee. Weight is on your right foot. So we can step forward with that left. Here we go. 5, 6, step, then turn. 1, turn 2, coaster 3 and 4. Step 5, cross 6, 7, and 8. All right, let's do it one more time. A little more to tempo. Again, face that front wall. Turn to your left. Put your right foot back. Pop that knee. Drop all weight on the right. Here we go. Quicker. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, let's put all 24 counts together. Having fun? Are you guys having fun? Don't worry. Do it as many times as you need to. I promise you'll get it. It took me a minute as well. But once I got it, oh, it was so good. All right, so starting from the top. Stomp, weave, mambo cross. 5, 6, slow at first, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, turn 2, shuffle 3 and 4, mambo 5 and 6, 7, pop 8. Step 1, turn 2, coast to 3 and 4, 5, cross 6, 7, and 8. All right, let's try it again, but let's do it faster. Gotta get up to sound speed, right? All right, here we go. Big breath. A little bit of pip in your step, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, turn 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, pop 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, cross 6, 7, and 8. All right, I've got good news for you. We're on the last 8 counts. And even better news, no tags, no restarts. This is the last part of the song, and honestly, I think it's the easiest 8 counts of the entire dance. But a little bit of fun at the end, all right? So we just did our cross coaster step. Now we're gonna do a pivot turn. So you take your left foot, tap your left leg, that'll help, I promise. We're facing the 3 o'clock wall, that right wall. You're gonna step, pivot, turn 2, then you're gonna take your right foot's got the weight, left foot's gonna step forward, no shuffle for 3 and 4. Now we're doing the California version. So we're gonna kick right, kick 5, 6. So you're placing 5, 6, and you take your left foot and you're gonna slide 7, 8. So it looks like 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? Let's put that all together fully with counts. Okay? So we just finished our mamba or coaster step. I know what I'm talking about here, I promise. Right foot is forward. Pivot turn over your right shoulder. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, pivot, 2, shuffle 3 and 4. Kick 5 and 6, 7, 8. Oh, let's do it faster. Let's get up sound speed. Okay. Right foot forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that's the whole dance. So let's put it all together. We're gonna do it slow, then fast. Might even count it through once, like fully. We'll see. We'll see how it goes out. Are you ready? Let's do this. Stomp, weave, mambo. Slow first, very, very slow. 5, 6, 7, stomp. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And 1, turn 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, pop 8. 1, turn 2, coaster 3, and 4, 5, cross 6, 7, and 8. 1, turn 2, shuffle 3, and 4, kick 5, and 6, 7, 8. Woo! If you made it through that, give yourself a big pat on the back. I think that's awesome because you gotta do it slow before you do it fast. Now, if you got it really well, let's do the song speed. Yeah, I like this. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, turn 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, turn 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I know, you're already saying that was one heck of an intermediate or advanced dance. I totally understand it. But wait till you do it with the song. It is so much fun. I completely understand why so many people are wanting to learn how to do this dance. All right, so if you're ready to stomp it out with me, you can click on that link in the upper right corner. It's gonna take you to the Stomp It Out video. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Thanks, you guys. Appreciate all the support and all the likes and subscribers. But I'll see you over at the Stomp It Out video.